All right, so a little bit different backdrop there. I thought I'd turn around and show some of the stuff I've made through this 12 days of Christmas. Ready? We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas in 12 different days. And today is day number 11. What? I know. And so we're almost done. One more day. I am not in my Christmas thing. I'm so sorry. I had to go to the doctor today. Turns out that I possibly have some virus that you get in tropical places, not malaria, but anyway. Okay, but that's a side note. So apparently I'm gonna be okay. All right, let me just tell you about what today is. All right, today is day number 11 of our 12 days of Christmas. We're so close to the end. And today is Christmas trees. I have one craft for you today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks again to Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY, and Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. All right, let's get this puppet done. I would just like to take this opportunity to thank all of our veterans. A special thank you to my husband Marcus, my late husband John, and my son-in-law Devin. So for all of us veterans, families, and everything, make sure you thank your vet today. We appreciate you. God bless America. So excited. It looks like I'm gonna get all, knock on wood, I haven't done day 12 yet, but. All right, so today was Christmas trees. Now I've only done one craft for you. Partially because I did get sick and it really knocked me out for a little bit. And so I just didn't have the energy to do some of the other things that I actually wanted to do, but I love the one craft that I did do for you. It's so stinking adorable. I'm really hoping you guys love it as much as I do. Are you ready? It's a tree. It's a Christmas tree made from trash. How cute is this, you guys? It's made from cardboard. Look at that. Look at all these packages. Let's see. This is Tylenol right there. This one is Dollar Tree candles. This one is Stevia, Dollar Tree candle, Colgate, Ziploc baggies. Yeah. Colgate down here, Ziploc. Okay, so cool. Isn't this cool? Isn't this cool? Okay, let me just show you how I made this because I'm in love with it. I just think it's adorable. Hold on. So we've got a wood paper towel holder, some random cardboard pieces, and I've got a straight edge here, and this is also going to be the width of everything that I cut, so it's my straight and it's my width guide. It's actually something that came off a wood box that I took apart the other day for my nativity scene. Anyway, so I'm just going to cut up some strips. Now I did not measure. Obviously I started shorter and then I went to boxes that had longer pieces on them because I knew I could trim them up if I needed to. In the end, I didn't actually trim up anything. So I just cut my pieces and started putting it together. Here I was trying to decide, do I put the color on the inside and the white or the cardboard color on the outside? I ended up going with the color on the outside, like a tree with ornaments on it, I guess. I just thought that looked pretty cool. And I think I make 7 strips, 5 curls. But again, depending upon how tall your dowel is and everything, that could change. This is kind of just a fun, whimsical, do it. You can make it as you're going and build it as you go. So. And I mirrored the sides, but you don't have to. You could actually make them be a little bit different, like an actual tree. And then once I cut my strips, I wrapped them around the dowel and put a rubber band around them to get them to curl them, right? Because I need them to have that curl in them if they're one of the curlicues, or the roundness in them for the petal parts. So I wrapped them all and curled them. For the petal parts, I put them on the dowel. For the curlicues, I literally wrapped them tight on their own and rubber band them. That's the Dollar Tree candle box, but it was so colorful. I'm like, oh, I love that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue cutting those out. You don't need to see all of that. And then once I've got everything cut out, I don't know where I went here, but I'll be back. Then we're going to take them off of the dowel. So the ones that weren't on the dowel, those are the curlicues, and these are the petals, or the branches, I guess, is more correct. And you can see I just wound them and put a rubber band around them. Now, I'm going to glue them at the top and see now they become a branch. We're going to start at the very top. And at the very top, we're going to glue those tips together because it's the top of the tree. And it's the only part that sits above the dowel. So I glue those two together. And then I'm going to glue them onto the dowel. And we're going to start building this. And I went, you know, it's like smallest to largest on your limbs and on your size of your limbs, of your cuts, of your strips. So I'm going to glue that right on the top, right in the middle, and then we're going to start building it. I don't need to talk you guys through it as I'm building it. You'll see exactly how it goes. Some of the loops went inside of limbs, some of them were on the outside, and again, this is just personal preference. I love how this comes out. And then at the very end, after I put all this on, I put marker on one side and paint on the other to, and I wasn't sure, I like the paint better, but that was just to color the edges of all of these limbs and branches and stuff because they're so cardboard or white or whatever. So we wanted to add that pop of green on the very front of it. So I'm going to let you watch me build the rest of it, and then I'll be back to say goodbye. and it's just because I was talking to Marcus and I was doing all this, totally forgot to hit record, but I removed the stand that it initially came on because it was really too large for the piece, and I put a little If you watch my channel, I hauled the little massager thing from the 22 peso store last week, and I was like, it just looks cute and decorative, like I want to use it as a leg or something. And I just thought it looked really cute at the bottom of this tree. And then I gave it, this is cardboard all glued together with a piece over it to give it a little stand. But look, it looks super cute. Love this. Now, in the video, I did, this is the marker side. I just realized my light isn't on for you guys. Oh, I just stink. This is the marker side. See, you can sort of see the green. And then this is the painted edges. I like the painted a lot better. But how cool is this? Come on, I love this piece. I think it's so cool. Okay, so a couple things. I wound my stuff and did it all in the same day. If I were gonna make another one of these, I would actually wind my cardboard up and leave it overnight so that it really got like a couple, like this one, but it's okay, it gives it character. Like this curl's kind of coming out, this one up here is kind of coming out, but still, it's so cute. I feel like if I stand up and put it in front of my sweatshirt, there, is that a better view? Like with nothing busy going on behind it. Are you not in love with this? I love my tree. All right, everybody, now go check out the playlist. I'll be back tomorrow for one more. And just at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you my staircase with everything that I've made so far for the 12 days of Christmas, so stick around for that. All right, thanks for watching. Everybody, have a great day, a great week, a great life. And as always, from your singing crafty crafter, oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Actually, see, we should change it because I've already sung that. So, oh, Tannenbaum, oh, Tannenbaum. Same thing. Everybody, happy bargain hunting, and I'll see you next time here on Bella's Bargains. Doodles.